So we're just going to put a few fluffy little clouds in the sky, and all you have to do is take a brush. It can be a filbert. It can be, I'm going to take my Bristle. I like the bristles because they spread the paint around so much nicer than anything else. And so I'm just going to make sure my brush is nice and clean because you want to make nice clouds. So I'm going to put some white on my palette, and I think I'll add a tiny bit of yellow just so that they won't be too chalky. You can add pink, you can add, I'm just going to try a little bit of that, and I'm going to take this brush that I have here now and I'm going to wipe it off in my tissue. So I'm wiping it off in my tissue, and we're going to sort of take what's left over on your brush. Alright, so I got a lot of it off. See? And I'm just going to make these little round circles. I'm going to start down here behind the mountains. I'm just going to make these little circles. See? Little circles. I'm barely touching. I'm not pushing real hard. There we go. Just some soft, fluffy circles. The less paint you get on your brush, the better. Okay? Make some shapes. Just soft, fluffy, fluffy clouds. Any little ones, some big ones. Bring some down by the hills, mountains. There we go. Just little circles. Good. And there's some creeping behind here. Yeah, you can go in there. It'll be okay. Just some soft little clouds floating around the sky, having a happy day. There we go. So a little bit of yellow in there gives it a not such a white chalky look. Okay, so see, I'm just, whatever's left on my brush now, I'm just moving it around to get some nice soft fluffy clouds. See, I'm even going over my trees, but if you go over your tree and you wipe out a branch, just put it back in again. Put it in with your colored pencil, or not colored pencil. Please do not use colored pencil. Watercolor. Very important. I keep saying color, but watercolor. Overlap a couple of those clouds if you want. See, and you got a nice fluffy sky. Fluffy, fluffy. Okay, so you can, you can keep rubbing at them until they become even softer if you want to, because you don't have any paint on your brush. See, you just got what's left over on your brush. There's not very much there. Soften them up, bring them together. That's all you need to do. See, I'm going to leave it at that. So I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, please give me a like and a subscribe and click the bell for more notifications. And leave in the comments what you liked about this painting. And if you have any questions, I'm just going to leave a little highlight. I forgot about this down here, see? If you have any questions or you need help, if you need help, let me know. I'm here. This is all I do. I don't do anything else. This is my main thing for as long as I can keep it going. So don't be afraid to ask. I'm actually waiting for you to, I'm always checking my emails, checking my comments to see if you guys were saying hi or asking me any questions. And so I'm thinking that should do it. You can put a few little flowers here if you want. If you want to put some like little, I don't know. See, I can't stop picking. See, this is the problem I have, and I could go on and on and on. But anyway, I got my brush. I'm going to put a little bit of white on there. Throw in a little bit of blue. and spread it out so it's not too much on there. I just add a few little wispy flowers there. Yeah, that's good. Sure. White, brighten them up a little more with a little tap of this, a little tap of that. Maybe a few little here. I don't know if that looks better or not. You don't have to do that. I'm not sure if I like that. So, don't worry. You can put red ones there, might be nicer, you know. But if you don't like them, just take them out with your green. See, tap in your green. I like doing this because I can show you if there's a mistake or something you don't like. You can always take it out with your colors, your background color. See, what you already started off with. There we go. See, oh, and that's something I wanted to show you too. Bring some of that grassy area down over the rocks. This is the never-ending video. I say goodbye and then I'm back. Now I could do another video on this, but I want to finish this one so you can see the finished look. So tap on some grass down over the rocks. See? Same with here. Come right down over the rocks. Oops. Okay. So it looks like the rocks and the grass are all one. They're all together. Come down over the rocks. Make it more natural looking. See? There we go. I had a feeling there was something I forgot. You want to get every little detail in there that you can. Every little detail. Just little details. Don't overdo it. Just little details. Don't want to overdo it. Right? Wherever you think your seed might need a little extra detail. And that brings your painting to life. See? So, see these little details. Helps bring it to life. Good. I think that should do it. So, like I said before, if you enjoyed this video, you have any questions or suggestions, there we go. I think that's it for now. I think that should do it. What do you think? Do you think I could have did some more stuff with it? Mountains are pretty cool, aren't they? Nice clouds. Nice little tree. Nice little river. I kind of like it. I hope you like it. See? And see, look, you can't even tell with the watercolor pencils if all those little tiny skinny lines. And nobody would ever know. That'd be your little secret. Yours and mine. See, nice little trees in the background. The water's coming out from the back there. It's coming down, 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 spreading out and down on the bottom there, so it doesn't look like it's cutting the picture in two, because you got lots of little different jagged edges and things, right? There we go. So if you can see anything that you would like to add, or you like to see another painting done like this, just let me know. Very good. Alright guys, I'll let you go. So I'll see you in the next video. Signing off from Allison Prior. Happy painting, everybody. Bye.